take a minute to hold. I might even need a piece of spaghetti through there that you won't be able to see, just because it's such a large ear. Sometimes it's a balancing act though. You can get it to stay. Keeping an eye on it. I think it's moving, but I'm not sure. Okay, second ear. Open this up. Pinch some of this bottom part off. Okay, I already put the water in there. Back of the brush. Again, I said the brush. Ay-yi-yi. If you have a luster dust, petal dust, or pink petal dust, you can dust the inside of his ears a little pink. If it's a he, maybe it's a she. Let's tilt the, oh, I can't because I was going to say, I usually like the heads tilted a little, not just straight on. Let me look at it from the front. Oh, okay, it's like a big mouse. No. Okay, eyes. Ball, back and forth, like we did for the seal. Okay, now he's going to be juggling, so we'll have some different colored balls to juggle here. Alright, so what we need to do, now if you don't mind using fishing line on your cake, you can actually thread these through the fishing line and then bend it, or you can use a thin wire, but you have to be careful when you're putting those on cake. Okay, so what I'll do is you can have one. Oh, I just broke that. Actually, if we use a, I broke that piece of spaghetti. So let me just pull it out and do another one. If I do one, maybe one on top, like he's kind of blowing those balls up like that. And then if I do put a piece of spaghetti through here to kind of support that arm. You can really, if you have the wire thing, you can like bend it way up here and it'll look like he's, it's actually going in a circle.